So today I am getting my hair done. I haven't done it since April and it is now December. So yeah, like, look at my roots. It looks a little bit oily, but just look at how dark this is and look at how blonde this is. Like, my roots have grown out so much. I want you guys to see the magic of Kit here on Oahu. I've been to him once and I was very, very impressed. So I'm gonna take you guys along. This is my outfit. I want to be comfortable, so I'm wearing leggings. And just in case it's cold, I have a little jacket. I just dropped off my grandma to the doctor's and now I'm headed to Kit. Salon Kit. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to stop recording because my camera's gonna fall. So I just parked. The salon is in this building over there, but I like to park at Walmart because the parking at the salon is valet and I'd rather not pay. So actually I have my appointment in 4 minutes and I still don't know what color I wanted to try to do today. I'm stuck between these two. Did it pop up yet? And these two. I guess you'll have to wait and see for which one I choose. Okay, let's go.
This is Kit from Salon Kit. Come get your hair done.
So here's the finished hair. I think it's cute. So that last scene in my car, I just rambled on about me getting food. I didn't discuss the price of my hair, how long it took, and what I chose to get. So first off, the price. My hair cost $346 without tax because I paid with cash. And Kit charges by the amount of product he uses, and I also got a haircut, so I actually don't know how much he charges for haircuts, but I just know my total was $346. Now for how long it took. Because my roots grew out so much and it was so dark, you saw here that I had like an afro of foil. So I'm lucky because my hair lightens easily, so that's why I was able, or Kit was able to get my hair this light within one session from my roots. And And Kit was telling me that most hairstylists will not do that much foil in your hair, which it's not normal to have that much foil, and I know I had a lot. It took a lot of time and effort on my hair, and I felt bad for having them work so hard because I knew they were tired. Although I'm very, very thankful and grateful that they were able to do this because I am in love. Please do not take my video and think, oh, I have black hair. Kit can take me from black to blonde in one session. Like, it really depends on how your hair lightens, and I was just lucky enough that my hair lightens well. I know the video was cut down to like, I don't know, 5 minutes, but the process took 5 hours, which is a long time sitting on your butt, but also a lot of work and a lot of time that Kit and Jordan had to put into my hair. And this 5-hour process could be cut down if I didn't wait so long to get my hair retouched. And I wouldn't recommend waiting for your roots to grow out that long, because not only will it cost you more because you're putting in more products and he charges by product, but also it takes a lot of work for the hairstylist to do on your hair. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. I don't know. Okay, so price $346. Process took 5 hours. Do not wait for your roots to grow out that long. Do not expect to go from black to blonde in one session. What else was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? And what I chose to get. Oh my god, I'm blanking. Okay guys, so that's all I wanted to come out here to say. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and have a good 2019. Bye!